everything is temporary, nothing is permanent. I believe in giving priority to the others first rather than myself. Well, the only thing which I consciously do is when I am not okay, the day is not okay for me, is that this is a short-lived period.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Am I OK? So in this channel I discuss about mental health issues, mental health awareness and how to tackle your mental health issues. And today I am doing a social experiment talking with random people to check on their mental health. So hello sir, this is Chandini. So I have a YouTube channel on mental health issues and the channel name is Am I OK?
Okay.
Yeah, so this is about discussing about mental health issues and how do you tackle your mental health problems and what advice you can give to the new generation, how to handle their mental health regarding that. So I will just ask you a few questions so you can just tell me. Okay, so my first question to you is, how is your mental health at present? How are you feeling right now and these days?
Well, I am cool. I follow a certain routine of mine, morning walks, etc., adequate sleep, proper diet. And what I would suggest is be positive in your overall mindset. Be optimist rather than pessimist.
And how will you rate your feelings from 1 to 10?
Well, around 7, 8.
So you were rating your feelings from 7 to 8. Oh wow, that's a very good score actually. So are you happy in your life?
Yeah, I am happy and contented both.
So what makes you happy?
Well, I am a contented person. Whatever I have, I believe in what I have rather than what I don't have.
So do you think that this current generation, they're more depressed as compared to the older generations?
Well, I can't make that comment. I'm not qualified to make that comment. But what I feel is, I think it's the social media which reduces the span of attention, which could be the cause. So human beings basically are social creatures. So they need to socialize, interact.
So how did you reach to this point of getting contented and happy? So would you like to give some guidance to the new generation?
Well, I don't know what guidance can I give, but I come from old school of thought, from the older generation, where we didn't have all these digital platforms to connect with, and that we can fill up the voids with our own self, and we are happy with my own self.
How do you do it? Like how are you happy with your own self?
Happy in the own self means I socialize, I contribute towards the people and the society, whatever little I can do. I have been in the service sector all through, and the type of work which I did was meeting with people most of the time and interacting. So when you interact with all kinds of people, all walks of life, you understand better.
Okay, so you were advising the new generation to interact with people,
Yes.
connecting with people,
Yes.
so that it can help their mental health.
Absolutely. Find a little purpose towards the others rather than your own self. I believe in giving priority to the others first rather than myself.
Okay,
You
that's
first, me second.
that's a very wonderful sentence. Like giving time to others and thinking about others. I think that helps the mental health.
All right. Yeah.
Okay, and do you love yourself?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, how do you love yourself? Like what activities do you do to make yourself feel happy and love?
As I said earlier, there are 3 basic parameters or principles of my life. Maintain your physical activity, adequate sleep, proper diet, most of it, and be positive in your overall orientation.
So when you were in your 20s,
Oh.
I don't think you will be
Yeah,
in
yeah.
that
That was
mode.
a growing and a learning phase.
So
like
from
yourself.
when you became like this?
Oh yeah, maybe somewhere in 40s, 50s, I understood it better.
So you started this lifestyle and healthy lifestyle from 40s and 50s, and now you understand that
Yes,
this is the better way to remain happy.
that's the benefit. Yeah.
So what is your routine?
Well, mornings a little meditation, then for a walk. I walk at my leisure because I have time at my disposal. I'm a retired person. And then I go through update myself on the newspaper, what's happening in the world. Have proper breakfast, lunch, and then afternoon small nap. Evening I contribute towards my society, that is my building society. I'm a little office bearer there. So, and evening times I have my own group of people my age where I interact and socialize with them. and a bit of a tea
Okay.
before going to bed.
So when you feel sad and sometimes not happy and stressful,
Yeah,
how do you handle that situation? And would you like to give some tips to my viewers about it?
Well, the only thing which I consciously do is when I am not okay, the day is not okay for me, is that this is a short-lived period and it will go away. So I don't get clinged or attached to it for long. I try to manage most of the times.
How did you train your mind like that?
Well, it comes naturally, I can say. That's the way I look at life. Is everything is temporary, nothing is permanent.
Wow, that's a really good thought. Everything is temporary, nothing is permanent.
Correct.
So that's a really good thought. So how do you like talking to me, expressing yourself?
Yeah, I know. As I said, I have been talking to people and interacting all through my life. So it was wonderful interacting with you all.
Okay, thank you so much. So I think talking sometime to people or listening
Yes.
make yourself feel better. And
Oh yes. Oh yes. By all means.
do you want to share something related to this?
Well, I think listening is a great art. I don't say I'm a very good listener, but I constantly practice to do it. It's more free advices because you have your own experience, etc. But I think listening gives you to understand the other person's perspective.
So some people are introvert; they don't like talking to people.
Ah.
So what advice will you give them? Because I think for them, mental health issues will be a big problem for them because they can't talk. So to random people or they can't express their feeling. So what advice would you like to give to
Well,
those people?
be your real self. Talk to people. Introvert is one of the kind of I think people, they are happy within themselves or they feel shy. They are hesitant to talk to people. What will be? They are more conscious about their own self-image. If I talk to people, how will they rate me? How will they evaluate me, etc. So don't worry on all those counts and be your own self.
Okay, so you are advising them to be their own self.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Can I ask you some personal questions now? Okay.
Yeah, please do.
Okay, so what is your name and what is your background?
My name is Praveen Pandey. And what else did you ask me? My profession.
Yeah, what is your background?
Background is I am a postgraduate in pharmaceutical sciences. I have worked in the marketing and sales department in a pharma company.
That's really nice.
Yes, and I am a retired person for past 7-8 years now.
Okay.
I have got 2 children. They both are married and settled. One in Australia, another in US.
Wow, that's
Me
nice.
and my wife, we are spending a good time together now.
Okay, that's
Free of
really good.
responsibilities.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think that's why you are more happy.
Oh
now.
yeah, maybe that gives me a sense of satisfaction that the children are grown up, they are doing well. Even we are doing well.
Okay. So you can just tell to our viewers to like my page and subscribe.
Yeah, please
my
do
page.
like a page. It was wonderful talking to you. Stay blessed. Keep
Thank you.
progressing.
Thank you so much. Thank you so
Pleasure.
much for your time. Thank you so much. So if you like my video, do like, comment and subscribe to my channel.